In today's video, we're putting two Ancel BD2 scanners head-to-head, the BD200 and the BD310. Both of these are smart, compact tools that connect through Bluetooth and give you live data right on your phone. But which one's actually worth your money? Let's find out. Today, we have something really exciting to share with you. We'll be taking a closer look at the Ancel BD200 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, a must-have tool for all car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics out there. If you're tired of paying hefty diagnostic fees at the mechanic's shop, this device might just be your new best friend. So, let's dive right in. The Ancel BD200 is a powerful and user-friendly Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that allows you to diagnose your car's issues right from your smartphone or tablet. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. With this scanner, you can easily read and clear trouble codes, view real-time sensor data, and even perform advanced functions like smog check and emission readiness. One of the standout features of the BD200 is its Bluetooth connectivity, which enables wireless communication between the scanner and your mobile device. Simply plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, pair it with your phone or tablet via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. No more dealing with cumbersome cables or worrying about limited mobility. It's all about convenience and ease of use. Now, let's talk about the software. The Ancel BD200 works in conjunction with a dedicated app that you can download for free. The app provides a user-friendly interface that's intuitive and easy to navigate. It allows you to access a wealth of information about your vehicle, including engine RPM, coolant temperature, fuel system status, and more. You can even customize the dashboard to display the specific data you're interested in. Another great feature of the Ancel BD200 is its extensive compatibility with various car models. It works with OBD2 compliant vehicles, which include most cars manufactured after 1996 in the US and 2001 in the EU. Whether you own a Ford, Toyota, BMW, or any other popular brand, chances are this scanner will work seamlessly with your vehicle. But wait, there's more. The Ancel BD200 goes beyond basic diagnostics. It also provides you with the ability to perform special functions such as resetting the oil service light, reading and clearing ABS and seniors codes, and even conducting battery system tests. This means you can take better control of your car's maintenance and avoid unnecessary trips to the dealership. Let's not forget about the compact and portable design of the BD200. It's a sleek device that you can easily carry in your pocket or store in your glove compartment. So, whether you're a professional mechanic on the go or a car enthusiast who loves to tinker with their vehicle, this scanner is a perfect companion for all your diagnostic needs. Finally, we can confidently say that the Ancel BD200 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is a game-changer when it comes to diagnosing and maintaining your vehicle. Its wireless connectivity, user-friendly app, and extensive compatibility make it a powerful tool for both professionals and DIY mechanics. With the BD200, you can save time and money by performing your own diagnostics and staying on top of your car's maintenance. Say goodbye to expensive mechanic bills and hello to a more empowered and informed approach to car care. That wraps up our overview of the Ancel BD200 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. With its wireless connectivity, user-friendly app, extensive compatibility, and advanced features, it's truly a game-changer in the world of car diagnostics. If you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic tool, remember, the link to purchase the Ancel BD200 is available in the description below. So, go ahead and grab one for yourself. Trust us, it's a tool you won't regret having in your automotive arsenal. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a quick look at what's inside the box. The Ancel BD310 arrives in a well-packaged box, and as we open it up, we find the scanner itself, a user manual, a USB cable for updates, and a handy carry case to keep everything organized. Now, let's talk about the standout features of the Ancel BD310. This scanner is not just your average OBD2 tool. It's packed with functionalities that make diagnosing vehicle issues a breeze. Here are some highlights. Wide vehicle coverage. The BD310 supports a wide range of OBD2-compliant vehicles, including cars, SUVs, light trucks, and more. 2. Full OBD2 functions, from reading and clearing trouble codes to providing real-time data on engine parameters like RPM, temperature, and more. This scanner covers all the essential OBD2 functions. Advanced diagnostics. The BD310 goes beyond basic diagnostics with features like O2 sensor testing, evap system testing, and I/M readiness for emissions testing. 4. User-friendly interface. With its intuitive interface and a colorful LCD screen, navigating through the menu and retrieving information is incredibly straightforward. Live data display. The real-time data display allows you to monitor various sensor readings while the vehicle is running, which can be incredibly helpful for diagnosing intermittent issues. 6. Update capability. Regular updates ensure that your scanner stays up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic improvements. The included USB cable makes updating a breeze. DTC Lookup Library. The built-in DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code Library provides explanations for trouble codes, aiding you in understanding the issues your vehicle might be facing. Let's take the Ancel BD310 for a spin and see it in action. We'll connect it to a vehicle and walk you through the process of diagnosing a simple issue so you can get a feel for how powerful and user-friendly this scanner truly is. The Ancel BD310 OBD2 scanner proves itself to be a valuable tool for both DIY mechanics and everyday car owners. Its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and wide vehicle coverage make it a must-have for anyone who wants to take control of their vehicle's health. Here are the pros and cons of the Ancel BD310 OBD2 scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide compatibility with most vehicles, can read and erase diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, free app available for Android and iOS. Cons: does not have all the features. The app can be a bit slow to load at times. The cable is permanently attached to the scanner. Overall, the Ancel BD310 OBD2 scanner is a good option for a basic scanner that can help you diagnose and troubleshoot problems with your car. It is affordable, easy to use, and compatible with most vehicles. However, if you need a scanner with more features, you may want to consider a more option. Go with Ancel BD200 if you want a budget-friendly, portable Bluetooth scanner that connects quickly to your phone. Choose Ancel BD310 if you prefer a standalone device with its own screen, better for offline use or quick diagnostics. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.